In prehistoric times, early humans began making simple sausages, starting a food tradition lasting thousands of years. During the industrial era, sausages began to be produced in processing workshops, though only on a small scale. Today, sausages have become a popular food enjoyed everywhere and at any time, from fine dining and home-cooked meals to fast food. But have you ever wondered how they're made? Let's find out. How millions of sausages are made in a factory. This is where the first stage of sausage production takes place.
Stage 1. Grinding and stuffing meat.
The high-quality imported pork cuts, once carefully prepared, are then transported to the factory. These cuts are fed into an industrial grinder. There, it's finely ground together with secret spices and flavorings, creating a savory mixture that stays fresh for longer. After that, this freshly mixed meat is released into a collection tray. Then, it will be taken for stuffing into casings. This step is a trade secret and is not shown to the public. The stuffing process is done. Next up, these raw sausages are hung on a conveyor to begin the cooking stage.
Stage 2. Smoking the sausages.
Right behind me is the sausage smoking line. The raw sausages are transported directly to an industrial smokehouse. Wow! Here, they're smoked using advanced technology for many hours, even several days, to develop their signature flavor. At first, overheating caused the sausages to fall and burn. The worker quickly cleaned up and fixed the issue by adding another output conveyor.
How to build the sausage smoking line. First, I'll build the support pillar for my hanging conveyor. Then, I'll add 4 support pillars onto the base plate. Number 2. Build the hook conveyor. My hanging conveyor will need a frame to connect the support pillars together. The tread link. The hook. Add the beams that holds the hooks. The pork has been delivered. Testing. My hanging conveyor works perfectly. Wow. Set up smoking line. The candle.
Now the sausage smoking line runs safely without problems. Alright, let's move on to the final stage.
Stage 3. Packing and shipping.
In this packaging stage, the finished sausages are carefully packed into small boxes. They are then loaded onto the waiting truck. Now the shipments are ready to be transported to their destinations. After production, sausages are shipped to stores everywhere, from cities to the countryside. They're shelled and cooked into meals, from fast food to street snacks.
Wow!
Oh. Huh? Daddy, are you okay?
It's so hot. All the trees are wilting.
so great.
Let's help your dad.
We need to build a pipe to bring water.
Huh?
Thank you, my son. Can you help with my field? Okay. Thank you so much.
How to build the sand screening machine. Step 1. Build the screen box. The sand holder. Step 2. Build the screen mesh. Metal mesh with 6 by 12 millimeter eyes. Step 3. Build the vibration motor. Connect to battery box. Gold out. Sand out. Wow! Testing. Lego brick. The machine vibrates horizontally to remove all the sand.
Let's start the machine.
Oh!
The sand is falling down. Only the gold remains on the mesh.
Yeah, the gold is all sifted.
Why isn't it full of gold yet?
Work faster, you idiot.
How to build the conveyor belt. Add the conveyor to the frame. Add the gearbox. Testing. Add the conveyor belt. Now the gold is automatically transported from the sand screening machine to the truck.
That's amazing! Wow! Yeah, we can get out of here now.
Oh my gosh, I'm late. It's too hard. I need a toothpaste squeezer.
How to build a toothpaste squeezer. Step 1. Build the squeezer part. It is combined by many gears. Install the gears. Step 2. Build the frame. Add the engine. Step 3. Complete. Add the rubber band. And more. Add the battery. Testing the machine. Perfect. Testing with the ketchup packets.
The ketchup package is easily squeezed.
Wow.
It's so gross.
Success. Testing with the mustard tube.
The mustard tube is being sucked into the machine.
Oh yeah!
It looks so spicy.
The machine worked well. Success.
Aha!
Hurry up, I need to get to work now. The toothpaste is squeezed out of the tube so easily.
Here you go, Andy.
Finally, I can brush my teeth.
Meanwhile,
What happened?
are you okay?
I got an idea.
Huh?
Look,
Huh? I think we need to move the sand away.
okay.
Hello, Tom, I need all those vegetables.
Huh? Look,
Let's do it together.
okay. Huh? Thank you, Alex.
Huh?
Thank you so much.